Well, today I'm going to check on the annual condition inspection of the Lancair Legacy. Today's the first day it's in the shop and it's all opened up. We'll go in there and see what it looks like. Hey, if you can, do me one favor. I appreciate it if you would subscribe to the channel. I'm trying to reach 1,000 people, 1,000 subscribers. I'm about halfway there now, so we're doing good. But anyhow, I'm going to have several videos on the progress on the annual, and then some upgrades I'm going to do. So be sure to subscribe so you don't miss anything. All right, let's go in and see the plane. All right, we're in the maintenance hangar, and as you can see, there's quite a few planes being worked on. And looks like they got the Legacy all opened up pretty good here. Let me talk with the guys, and then I'll give you some more details. Hey, how are you guys? I'm out here with the mechanics, and your name?
Wes.
Wes.
Austin.
Austin. I can't ever remember names, so I'm terrible.
Right.
You know I'm Steve. So anyhow, these guys have had it apart for a couple days, and we're getting down to it. And what's the few things you found with it?
I got a couple oil leaks on the engine. Mainly degreased it to identify where they're coming from. Found a couple of issues with it.
Yeah, and we found the tack problem that cost me 2 days of training, and it was a real simple deal. I need a better wiring diagram of this thing, but the tack comes off the one magneto. There's a magneto and an electronic ignition on this, and the tack comes off the magneto, and the wire was loose coming from the magneto, the tack wire. A very, very simple fix, and I don't know how we missed it, but we missed it. So we'll know better next time. But as you can see, guys, it's all opened up, and I'll do a bunch of still photographs for those guys that want to know what all's in here. But it's looking good, and I think you'll be done, what, in a few more days? Yeah, it's Labor Day weekend, so we'll probably take some time off, which is fine. I'm not in a hurry. So, I'd rather have every surprise fixed than get it back and have a problem.
I know parts have been kind of a hard thing to get a hold of recently.
Yeah.
Whatever the supply chain issues are. So.
Well, it's a good excuse anyhow for everything.
It does buy you some time when you need it, but
yeah.
it's a real pain.
All right, guys.
Trying to get stuff done.
Pictures of the panel here, and the interior with all the upholstery out. It's fairly clean. Get some pictures of the rear area where I hope to put air conditioning one day. See, we got all the panels out here. You can see all the way to the back. Probably the autopilot servos and other things are back there. And then this is behind the seat area. And rudder pedal area here, both sides. We'll keep showing you things as we make progress on getting this thing done.